Welcome back, YouTube. This is one random runner here with another pack opening of my 3 Shadow Specters and 2 Judgment of the Light. If you saw last time, I did get a really good pull, so this week I'm hoping for just as good. I'm really considering making that Boujon deck now just because I got the other Boujon, so let's get started. And let's see what we get. And come on. Alright, there we go. So this is the first from the Shadow Specters. Alright. So let me get you a good picture of this. This is a ghost trick monster. Alright, and the next one is nothing that good, but still not too disappointed. So our rare was a Vivid Night. Pretty good card. I haven't seen it yet. Wow, these are very easy to open. Hopefully you could get a good picture of this. Ooh, Vampire Duke and Boujon Ibis. Ibis might come in the Boujon deck. Alright, and the last Shadow Spectre, and then I'll do the 2 Judgment of the Light to see what we get, because I like Judgment of the Lights. I've already gotten Star Eater from them, and it's been really good to me so far. And most of these cards are up for trade, so always send me messages. I try to reply, but I do get busy with life, basically. Oh, and ooh. So nothing that crazy so far. But I still got my 2 judgments. And let's see what we get. Nope, sorry about that. Ooh! Alright, let's get a good picture of this. Nice. See, Judgment of the Light does pay out really well. And the last Judgment of the Light. So far, that's been good to me. Let's see how this last one's gonna be. And it's alright. I'm still really excited what I got. Alright, well that was my pack opening. Let me give you a recap of what we got. So we got Consecrator of the Sea, number 65, Vampire Duke, Vivid Night, Underworld Fighter, and Modify. Alright, well that was my pack opening for this week. If you liked the video, you can always like, rate, subscribe, and just watch the video. It just makes me perfectly happy just to see you guys, just to see the views I get. So, and most of these are up for trade. So send me messages. I'm happy with that. So just have a good one, YouTube.